Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm pumped to share this super simple and natural DIY air freshener project with you today. Trust me, it'll keep your place smelling amazing for days. So let's dive right in. All right, here's what you're gonna need. First off, grab a sanitary pad, just make sure it's unscented. Next, get some whole cloves for that natural scent boost. You'll also need about a quarter cup of your fave fabric softener. And don't forget a few drops of essential oil. Pick a scent that makes you happy. Oh, and make sure you have a fan to help spread the fragrance around. Okay, let's get started. First, take your sanitary pad and cut a small slit in the middle. This will create a little pocket for our scent ingredients. Next, grab a handful of whole cloves and put them in the pocket. These will give our air freshener a wonderful warm aroma. Now pour in about a quarter cup of fabric softener. This will help spread that lovely scent throughout your room. Just press it a bit to help it absorb nicely. And for an extra burst of fragrance, add a few drops of essential oil. Seriously, use whatever scent you love best. Make it personal. Once everything is ready, just stick it behind your fan cover. Turn on the fan and let the magic happen. Your room will smell fresh for up to 10 days. And there you have it. A super easy DIY air freshener that's effective and all natural. If you give this a go at home, let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun DIY projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.